The Gullfoss Waterfall is a very popular attraction on the Golden Circle in Iceland. An easy steel staircase from the parking lot takes you down for the first views of the waterfall. Even from that distance, the awesomeness of the waterfall can be gauged. What makes the waterfall so attractive is its cascading shape and the enormous photo and vlogging opportunities it presents. It is for this reason that it is called the Golden Waterfall. During summer, more than a couple of thousand visitors visit the dazzling Gullfoss Waterfall every day. On an average, 100,000 liters of glacial water from the river Hitwa plunge 100 feet into the Gullfoss Canyon every second. A short and easy trail leads the visitor to the very edge of the waterfall. Of course, the chill sprays from the waterfall, amply assisted by strong winds, will chill and almost completely drench the adventurous visitor. Without a raincoat, it is impossible to be spared the copious sprays. Even though Gullfoss is open the whole year around, the trails to the lower viewing platforms are sometimes closed during winter due to icy and snowy conditions. I can assure you that the Gullfoss experience itself justifies a visit to the land of fire and ice.